Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to us and ring the bell. Find My can help you protect your privacy and property as much as possible after your iDevice is lost. Every Apple user should learn how to use this feature. In this video, we will show you what to do after your iPhone is lost and how to unlock the lost iPhone after it is found. What Lost Mode does: locks your iPhone with a passcode. Displays a custom message on the lock screen. Tracks the device's location if location services are enabled. Disables Apple Pay to prevent unauthorized use. How to enable and activate Lost Mode. Use iCloud.com or Find My app. Go to the iCloud website and sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Find My. Select your iPhone from the list of devices at the top of the screen. Click on Mark as Lost in the information window. Follow the instructions, enter a contact number and message to display on the lock screen. Unlock iPhone in Lost Mode with Passcode. You can simply unlock the device directly by entering this passcode on the iPhone. If you don't set a screen lock, you must create a numerical passcode when enabling Lost Mode. Unlock iPhone in Lost Mode with Apple ID. Go to the iCloud website or use the Find My app on another Apple device. Sign in with the Apple ID that is linked to the iPhone in Lost Mode. Click on Find My. Select your lost iPhone from the list of devices. Click on Lost Mode. Click on Stop Lost Mode, and the device will be unlocked. Unlock iPhone in Lost Mode with Activation Unlocker. If you forget your password after finding your iPhone, you can use Joyoshare Activation Unlocker to unlock your phone. Click Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click on the Start button. Joyoshare Activation Unlocker will automatically put your iDevice into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your device model and set it to DFU mode manually. Then, the program will get down to jailbreak device. After a success jailbreak, click on Start to Remove button. Your device will automatically get into recovery mode. Put your device into DFU mode. The program will start to remove activation lock from your device when it enters DFU mode. Finished. Your device now turns off Lost Mode and Find My.